properties of modulus. One of the important properties is z multiplied by z conjugate. This is equal to mod z square. That means if we multiply any complex number with its conjugate, we have modulus z square. It's simple. You put z is equal to x plus iota y. Then what is z conjugate? That is x minus iota y, and this product is x square plus y square, which is mod z square. ये बहुत एक सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी है, पर इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे होते हैं. Let's see those questions. Okay, try this question. This is a question from NCERT book. If alpha beta are different complex number with modulus of beta is equal to 1, find the value of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha conjugate beta. In fact, we have to get the value of modulus of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha conjugate beta. Okay, now how we use this data, that is modulus of beta is equal to 1. कैसे यूज करेंगे इस डेटा को? कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट z conjugate is equal to mod z square. Here modulus of beta is 1, so modulus of beta square is equal to 1. And we can write modulus of beta square as beta multiplied by beta conjugate. So we have beta conjugate is equal to 1. अब इस डेटा को यहां पे कैसे यूज करेंगे? How we use this data here? We can use many ways. One way is put the value of 1. 1 is beta conjugate. Okay, now simplify this. It is beta minus alpha divided by beta. Take beta common from this. So we have beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate. Now use the properties of modulus, that is its distributive nature over product and ratio. That is modulus of beta minus alpha, in denominator it is mod beta multiplied by modulus of beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate. Okay, now what is modulus of beta? That is 1. So we have modulus of beta minus alpha divided by modulus of beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate. Okay, now beta minus alpha is complex number, then beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate is its modulus, and modulus of any complex number is same as modulus of its conjugate. So this ratio is 1. तो देखो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में इस प्रॉपर्टी का बहुत ही अच्छा यूज किया. आपको नहीं लगता कि 1 को इस तरह से रखना जल्दी स्ट्राइक नहीं करता? हम किसी वैल्यू को 1 तो रख लेते हैं, पर 1 को बीटा कॉन्जुगेट रखना, दिस इज लिटिल बिट सरप्राइजिंग. कोई इसको ऐसे भी कर सकता था. From this one can get the value of beta, that is 1 upon beta conjugate, and in this put the value of beta, and then you simplify, you will get the ratio 1.